Do your roots get very flattened whenever you style? And when it dries like this? Before applying products, I lift my roots like this. When you apply your product, do it starting from the root in this way with the head tilted, caressing. Almost nothing touches the top. And this will allow that the root be lifted and that the product does not feel heavy. Leave a rectangle for the final part, and even if you don't use a brush on the rest of the hair due to lack of time or desire, this tip will make a difference. You are going to take out tiny strands and run the brush through like this. See how it looks lifted from here. When scrunching, do not only scrunch along the length of the hair, but also at the roots. The gel or mousse is applied in the same way as the cream or activator, on the ends. Plopping for at least 20 minutes. If you leave it on for 60 minutes and it works for your hair, fine, whether you blow it out or use a diffuser. And that's how it dries fluffy from the top.